straight into the pile of ass shit. The only place that shit comes from. Oh, this is so fucking stupid.
I'm gonna laugh at you. No!
Ah!
You're such a fucking tool.
Ah! You're not as good as me with my inverted tailbone. Ah! Alright. Let's do this shit.
Do backflip.
Yes!
Front flip.
Tail
Please,
grab.
please.
There's no way.
Tail
Please.
grab.
I'd do it.
I'd do
You
it.
wouldn't do it. Get up here.
Yes, I would. If it was softer, I definitely would.
I do a front flip. You get to have sex with me.
And me also.
No comment.
So do you really want me to do a front flip?
I get to or I have to.
Both.
If I am the only one that's front flipping, both of you get fucked by a bat with nails poking out of it.
Do it.
A baseball bat? Or
That's
a
my favorite.
A
animal
baseball bat, like in the ass.
No reach
We'll
around?
donkey punch you so it's tight as possible.
Okay.
I'm so fucking
I love
cold.
how you're so cool about it. Okay, yeah, I'll get fucked in the ass by a
That's
club
cool.
with obsidian blades.
Let's do it.
What am I even gonna do?
A front flip.
There's no way.
You just said. I said if I get fucked in the ass by the spiky bat, I meant. Sorry, speech problems.
I don't want to put a bat full of nails up your ass. That was never a real prospect. I'll land on my side.
Oh my
Okay.
god, this is gonna kill you.
Wimp.
You're so afraid.
Ow!